Hi everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts. I recently went to Dollar Tree and I saw these cute little light bulb things. They are so cute. You turn them on and it's got the little string lights in there, little fairy lights, whatever you want to call them. And it's just got the switch on the top. And I thought about instantly making a countertop light. So I bought this glass. I also got this at Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to use for this is I have these, which I got. They weren't from Dollar Tree, but I know you can buy these at Dollar Tree. And I did not have enough to do what I want to do with, so I actually had some of these bigger ones that I'm going to stick in the bottom of my cup here. So this is going to be one of the, probably I'm hoping, easiest DIYs that I've done in a while. And what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that these big ones stay at the bottom. And I'm just going to stick some hot glue on here. And I am going to drop them in the bottom of my cup. Now I'm hoping to get them to stick in there. So I'm just sticking some hot glue, because when I put these in here, I don't want them rising to the top. I want them to be in the bottom so they're not like mixing in with the other ones. These are just kind of like filler stones. So cup's a little narrow, just trying to get it in there the best I can. Okay. So I have all my filler beads in there, and this is still fitting on here pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some of these in here. And what I'm actually trying to do is I'm trying to cover up the light bulb. So I'm going to stick some of these in there, and then what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to get this tag off of here, and then I am going to stick this in here and kind of shake it around. I want to get my light bulb in there. Those are all going back in there, just so you know. I just want to make sure that I get my top touching here. Alright, so I'm just trying, without pulling my bulb out too far, oh, it got pulled out too far, is getting those glass beads or whatever the heck they're called in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these in here and we'll see what it's looking like. Okay, I have all my glass gems in there, and then I'm just going to kind of tip this upside down. I'm just trying to disperse them around because I want that all covered in there. Once I have that done, I am going to flip this upside down. Now, the bulb is pretty secure in there because of all the beads that are around it, but I'm actually going to stick some hot glue in here to make sure that this stays. So I'm just going to go around the base, just so it doesn't pull up when you're moving it, because it will pull up a little bit, but it shouldn't pull out of there. Okay, I am going to let that dry, and then we should just about be done. Okay, it is almost done. I'm just going to do one more thing. I'm going to find my nicest looking side here, and then go to the back side, and I'm going to take this little piece of nautical rope that I have, and I'm going to glue this around the top just to give it a little bit of a summery nautical feel. Alright, and then I'm going to try to stick a little bit of hot glue in this handle. I kind of want this to stick up, but I can't cover up the battery pack. I still have to be able to get to there, so I'm just trying to see, maybe if I stick just a, actually I'll put it towards the back, stick a little bit of hot glue on the sides here, just so it sticks up a little bit. I'm going to hold this for a little bit and hopefully it stays. Alright, and there it is. It is all finished. That was super simple, quick, easy, didn't cost much at all. So I'm gonna turn the light on here real quick. And now I know you probably can't see that. So I'm gonna turn off some of my lights here and see if that does any good. A little bit. I think I need to go turn off one more light. Hold on. Okay, I have one light on it just so you can see it right now. But it's definitely glowing and shining. It looks really, really nice. It looks a lot better in person. Let me turn this light off here quick so you can see. It's very, very, very pretty. So anyways, there it is. Super simple, easy, didn't cost much. If I had to guess, you know, $3 or $4, and it's gonna look really cute sitting on my table. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you made it to the end of my video. It was a short one. Please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.